This step will be traveling across the floor. Your hands go first and then your feet catch up. So it'll be right hand, right foot, left foot. And it looks a bit like this. And in the other direction, or from seeing it from behind. And you can first do it staying pretty, You can first do this with traveling a shorter distance and not bringing your butt up so high as I did the first time. Think of it as the second foot that comes off the ground, that your first foot is trying to catch up to the other foot.